And as you can see sa packaging niya guys, ang laki-laki niya. As in kasing laki niya yung mukha ko. Hi everyone, kumusta kayo? And we are back with another skincare routine video. And for this one, we're going to be doing my current body care routine. Now actually, I was planning to do this sa start ng year na to, pero na-realize ko nung time na yon, ang dami ko palang iba't ibang mga products na tinatest sa body ko na hindi ako talaga nagkaroon or wala talaga akong constant na routine for my body nung time na yon. Except probably sunscreen. But now, halfway na tayo through the year and I'm happy to say hindi na ganun kadami yung products na kailangan ko i-test on my body. And nagkaroon na ako ng chance to have a routine that I can be constant with, specifically for my body skincare concerns. And I think overall, this has been very helpful sa mga current skin concerns ko, which are mostly yung skin texture and now more than ever yung skin brightening. Kasi talaga guys, sobrang OA yung summer nila dun sa Europe. So if you're like me na nagbakasyon din kayo earlier this year and natapat kayo sa araw, or you're preparing for a vacation na matatapat din kayo sa araw, you might find some good recommendations and tips from this routine. So that being said, wala nang any, let's start with our routine. Alright, so as per usual, start muna tayo with a step na staple na sa mga body care routines ko, and that is of course a daily exfoliating body wash. And for this step, I'm actually using this one na medyo bago lang siya. It recently replaced my old exfoliating body wash na okay pa rin. That one is from Dermaid, yung acne body wash nila. I recently replaced that to try this new exfoliating body wash na na-discover ko that I've actually really been liking. It's from this local brand called Snow Beauty, and it is their salicylic acid acne body wash. This product in particular is a newer release from them. Actually, very recent to. They released this just May of this year. So this is probably the newest product or the newest addition sa routine ko. Pero yun nga, so far, I have been very happy with this, especially because sa ingredients niya, ingredients pa lang tuwang-tuwa na ako nung nakita ko. Now, first and most importantly, this does have 4 gentle cleansing agents, and as you guys know, favorite ko talaga yung mga body washes na merong gentle cleansing agents. So, check na agad yun sa akin. Aside from that, of course, gaya nga ng sabi sa pangalan, this also does have the exfoliating ingredient salicylic acid, also known as BHA. And of course, as you guys know, yung main function talaga ng salicylic acid or ng BHA sa body natin is to remove excess oil because it goes deep into our pores to unclog them of excess oil. Aside from that though, this also does have lactic acid, which is not only an exfoliant. Usually, exfoliant yung alam natin sa lactic acid, but this also does help make the wash more hydrating. And speaking of hydrating, this also does have more hydrating ingredients like glycerin and saccharide isomerate, and it also does have the soothing ingredient Centella asiatica, also known as CICA. So definitely a lot to love about this product ingredients-wise, pero yung texture din ito guys, or yung feel niya sa skin, very satisfying siya. Ginamit ko na to actually sa shower, pero ipapakita ko pa rin sa inyo guys since this is the first time that I'm showing you this product. Alright, so maglalagay lang ako ng mga 2 pumps on my wet arm para makita nyo talaga how this lathers. And as you can see, this is a runny gel type texture na tumutulo sa sahig. Oh my god. But anyway, ilalather ko na to and you will see how easily this foams up on my skin. And siya guys, just in a matter of seconds, nagfo-foam talaga siya. So this is a very satisfying wash. I also forgot to mention that this does have fragrance. So medyo may maamoy ka talaga given that this is a body wash and usually naglalagay talaga sila ng mga fragrance sa mga body washes na to. But honestly, hindi siya masyadong parang malakas na fragrance and hindi siya naglilinger after you wash it off. But anyway, as you can see, very satisfying na lather siya. So I'm just gonna wash this off so I can show you yung feel niya after banlawan. Alright, so now we're back and tinatawel dry ko lang yung arm ko para makita nyo talaga yung texture niya after I wash it off. And as you can see, it's not tight at all. It feels very smooth and hydrating ng konti yung feeling. Hindi siya yung parang sobrang hydrating na mafe-feel mo pa rin talaga after you wash it off. Just very light hydration. Now price-wise, this is around 300 to 400 pesos. Not bad already for 250 ml. Ang thing ko nga lang dito is, I think hindi siya available sa mga Watsons, but I usually see Snow Beauty sa mga landmark na mga department stores. But of course, if you are a person na wala masyadong time pumunta sa mga physical stores, this is also available online. Ganun ko din siya binili. And if you do want to check this out, of course, maglalagay ako ng link in the description box. But anyway, now moving on to the next step of our routine, which is an essential for those na pawisin like me. This is of course deodorant or antiperspirant. Now, as you guys know, deodorant and antiperspirant are two different things. Ako personally, I like to use antiperspirant because it also helps keep my underarms dry. And as you guys know, when it comes to using antiperspirants, ang recommendation talaga ng mga dermatologists is it's better to use them at night, and yun yung personally fina-follow ko sa routine ko. And for those na curious kung bakit nighttime yung mas nire-recommend talaga ng mga dermatologists is because, number one, yung mga sweat glands kasi natin, they're less active at night. Since walang araw, hindi masyadong mainit, hindi tayo masyadong nagpapawis. So kapag naglalagay tayo ng antiperspirants at that time, mas nagiging efficient or effective yung pag-absorb niya sa skin natin. Kasi walang pawis para mag-block sa absorption. And speaking of absorption, also since iniiwan natin yung product sa skin natin overnight, it allows more time for the antiperspirant to absorb sa skin natin. So para kahit maligo ka the next day, hindi mo na kailangan mag-worry na mawawash off yung antiperspirant because nag-absorb na siya throughout the night. But anyway, the antiperspirant I'll be using is a new version of an antiperspirant na ginamit ko na before. Actually, may kita nyo to if you did watch my body routine from last year. And it's this one from Dove. It's their Radiant Plus Care Deodorant Dry Serum. So as you guys know, yung ginamit ko last year was yung Dove Deodorant Dry Serum na color pink kasi meron siyang konting niacinamide. But this one, guys, kung makita mo sa packaging niya, this new one actually has 3% niacinamide. And I just want to say, guys, finally, I'm so happy meron ng product na ganito talaga because for the longest time, ito talaga yung nasa wishlist ko na gawin ng mga brands. Kasi guys, yung ganito talaga, it really makes sense for a lot of Filipinos specifically kasi ang goal ng marami is to brighten or lighten their underarms pero naghahanap din sila ng deodorant or ng antiperspirant. So na-achieve na yun ng Dove doon sa luma nilang dry serum, but this one actually has a significant percentage of niacinamide. So medyo mas magiging confident ka doon sa skin lightening or skin brightening effects niya. Now for the texture and consistency of this product, same lang naman siya doon sa old na dry serum nila. It is still a cream texture. Lalagay lang ako sa underarms ko. This does absorb very, very easily onto the skin. And doon mo talaga mafe-feel na dry serum siya because yung finish niya sa skin mo is relatively dry talaga. And as I apply this product on the other side of my underarms, I also do want to talk about its other ingredients. Aside from the 3% niacinamide na very, very beneficial siya for not only brightening the skin, but also strengthening the skin barrier of our underarms, this also does have aluminum chlorhydrate, which is the antiperspirant ingredient in this product. So yes, kahit nakasabi na deodorant to, this is technically an antiperspirant because ang meron niya is aluminum chlorhydrate. So this not only tackles yung body odor mo, but it also helps keep you dry the entire day. In other words, anti-baskil. Also guys, side note lang huwag kayong matakot na may aluminum yung deodorant or antiperspirant ninyo. I know there's a lot of information or misinformation rather online na sinasabi nila na masama daw yung aluminum, it can cause cancer, hormone disruption, or kung ano man. If you ask any well-informed and updated board-certified dermatologist or cosmetic chemist, you will know na there's simply not enough evidence or no strong evidence at all to show na hormone disruptor or cancer-causing yung aluminum sa mga deodorants or antiperspirants, and they're very safe to use. Meron nga lang mga ibang tao na yes, hindi sila hihiyang sa ingredient na to because either very sensitive yung skin nila or they have a specific allergy to this ingredient, but it doesn't mean na lahat na ng mga tao is ganon. A lot of people, including me, use these types of products with no problem at all. And ito guys, partida may fragrance na to Kasi talaga guys, yung aluminum-based na mga antiperspirants, they're one of the most effective in the market. In fact, ginagamit din sila ng mga derms sa mga patients nila na may condition na hyperhidrosis or yung sobra-sobrang pagsasweat. So the fact na piniprescribe pa ng mga derms sa mga patients nila yung mga aluminum-based na antiperspirants, that means meron talaga tong level of safety. But anyway, going back to the ingredients, aside from aluminum chlorhydrate and niacinamide, this also does have sunflower seed oil, which as we know helps smoothen and soften our skin. Now if I'm not mistaken, they have 3 different variants. Itong kinuha ko is the orange variant, which has vitamin C and E added to it na very small amount lang. Now in my personal opinion guys, since yung ingredients na dinagdag nila dito, it's probably just in very, very small amounts. It doesn't really matter which variant you choose kasi ang hinahabol mo naman talaga dito is the 3% niacinamide and the antiperspirant ingredient. Siguro konting feedback lang kay Dove with regards to this product. Sana gumawa sila ng sensitive fragrance-free version ng deodorant dry serum nila kasi yung mga roll-on nila and yung mga stick deodorants nila, siya, meron ng sensitive fragrance-free version. So sana ilagay din nila to doon sa deodorant dry serums nila. And when that happens, 3% niacinamide, fragrance-free antiperspirant, tapos ang laban. As in, Dove girly na ako forever pag nangyari yun. But anyway, now moving on to the next step of our routine, and it is of course our body lotion. And ito guys, I also just do this at nighttime. Ito naman, pwede mo rin naman siya gawin sa umaga, pero ako, I just choose to do it at nighttime because sa umaga medyo nagmamadali ako and sunscreen is all I put on my skin, and medyo yun na rin yung nag-act as body lotion for me. And sa gabi rin kasi guys, nagsha-shower ako, and as you guys know, the best time to put on your body lotions is really after mo mag-shower. Kung kailan medyo damp pa or basa-basa yung katawan mo, because putting on a body lotion will seal in yung hydration na yun sa skin mo for longer lasting moisture. So these are the 2 body lotions that I use in my routine, and again, hindi ko to sabay ginagamit sa routine ko guys. Nag-alternate lang ako between the 2 of them. Actually, you don't really need 2 body lotions. Mahilig lang talaga ako mag-try and mag-incorporate ng iba't ibang kinds of body lotions in my routine. So kung matagal na kayo nanonood ng mga videos ko, these 2 might seem like very familiar products to you guys. Starting off with this one, this is the Fresh Skin Lab Jeju Aloe Ice Soothing Gel Lotion. And kung manonotice ninyo, wala na yung BT21 kasi limited edition lang yon. So this is, I think, their regular version, the 3-in-1 Niacinamide Soothing Gel Lotion. And this one, ang difference lang niya is from 5% niacinamide naging 3% niacinamide, which is still a really good percentage for a niacinamide soothing gel or a niacinamide product in general. The other one here is a bit of a thicker option for those na mas gusto talaga ng creamy na lotion on their skin. This is from Quick FX, one of my favorite products from them. This is their CeraBoost Bye Bye Bumps Lotion. So I just alternate between these 2 body lotions, pero ang maganda dito guys is kahit alin yung gamitin ko sa kanila, each of them have a brightening benefit thanks to specific ingredients. So as we know, itong si Jeju Aloe Ice has 3% niacinamide, which as we know has a brightening benefit and also helps nourish or strengthen our skin barrier. Meanwhile, namang si CeraBoost Bye Bye Bumps, meron siyang lactic acid, which as we know is an exfoliating acid na nakakatulong din just a little bit sa mga dark spots because it helps slough off the top layer of dead skin cells sa skin natin. So mildly exfoliating na ingredient siya. Aside from that, lactic acid also helps those na merong mga bumps sa skin nila, yung mga tinatawag nating chicken skin or also known as keratosis pilaris. Usually nandito siya sa area na to, meron siyang parang mga bumpy skin. This one could also help with that. Now again, I usually just pick one of these 2 products sa night routine ko, pero for the purposes of this video, sige, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Ko-compare natin yung textures and consistencies nitong dalawa on my skin. So first, let's start with the Jeju Aloe Ice. I'll show you. Kuha ko ng konti. And ayan siya. And nilagay natin siya dito on our skin. And as you can see, it is just really a pure gel type na lotion. And this actually almost instantly disappears sa skin mo upon spreading it. And very lightweight lang talaga siya true to its name na gel lotion. And what's nice about this is kapag ayaw mo yung parang sobrang thick na texture ng mga lotions, but you still want to add hydration or moisture to your skin, this is really the perfect one, especially kapag summertime and gusto mo maglagay ng lotion sa umaga if you're that type of person. And ang maganda rin dito is sa sobrang lightweight niya, you can also use it technically on the face. May makita kayo mga routines ko from before na ginamit ko yung Jeju Aloe Ice na yung smaller version niya. Same lang yon in just a smaller packaging, and yung ginamit ko sa routine ko. So very useful to. You can use it as a moisturizer sa face. You can also use it as a body lotion. And since meron nga tong niacinamide, definitely magiging beneficial to as an after sun product because ayun nga, nakakatulong siya in brightening the skin. And syempre, kapag natamaan talaga ng araw or nabilad tayo sa araw, our skin can get a bit tanner. So this can help counter that a little bit. Alright, next up, ito namang si CeraBoost Bye Bye Bumps Lotion na actually pinakita ko na recently sa isa kong video, pero again, ipapakita ko na lang ulit sa inyo. And ito guys, this is a creamier product, and this one is something that you would choose more if mas sanay kayo doon sa parang traditional na body lotion na mas creamy siya. So, ang maganda dito guys is kahit creamy siya, it still relatively blends quite fast on the skin. Hindi siya yung parang ibang mga body lotion na sobrang puti siya tapos kailangan mong i-blend para lang mawala siya sa skin mo. This one, very cooperative siya, masasabi ko sa skin. And, you know, it blends very, very easily. Now, a lot of people usually ask when it comes to these exfoliating body lotions, pwede ko ba siya gamitin every night? night? And the answer to that is, specifically sa product na to ako, technically, I can use it every night. Trinay ko na siyang gamitin Monday to Friday. Di naman na-irritate yung skin ko, but it will always ultimately depend on your skin type. So kung kaya ng skin mo na every night siya ginagamit, hindi naman siya nakaka-feel ng irritation, then by all means, go ahead. Pero actually guys, hindi naman siya kailangan gamitin every night. Kung gusto nyo lang, pero hindi naman kailangan talaga. Again, exfoliating just 3 to 4 times a week is perfectly fine already. So kung minimalist ka, ayaw mo siyang gamitin every night, or nagtitipid ka ng product, then 3 to 4 times or 3 to 4 nights a week is okay. Alright, so with that, technically, tapos na yung nighttime routine natin. Again, moisturizer or body lotion is usually the last step at night. Pero hindi ko pa napapakita sa inyo yung daytime routine ko, which is just a body wash and this final step. And that final step is, of course, the unforgettable sunscreen. And for the body sunscreen that I will be using, gusto ko lang sabihin guys na finally, meron na talagang ganitong product sa market. I'm so happy. It's a body sunscreen na lightweight, high protection, mura, and malaki yung packaging. Kung lagi kang nasa TikTok, you might have passed by this product already, and it's this one from the brand Vaseline. It's their Healthy Bright SPF 50+, PA4+, Daily Protection, and Brightening Serum Lotion. Haba ng pangalan, day. And as you can see sa packaging niya guys, ang laki-laki niya, as in kasing laki niya yung mukha ko. So actually, gabi na, and nilagay ko na to kaninang umaga, but again, for the purposes of this video, also because first time ko siyang ipapakita sa inyo, I will be putting it on my skin para lang makita nyo yung texture. And as I apply the sunscreen on my skin, I also do want to discuss with you guys yung ingredients nito. This does have 6 UV filters, and mostly chemical UV filters siya, but it also does have 1 mineral or physical na UV filter, which is titanium dioxide. This one though, when you spread it on your skin, wala siyang white cast despite the titanium dioxide. Yes, it does look white at first, pero kailangan mo lang talaga siyang i-blend onto a finish that becomes invisible, honestly, kapag na-blend mo na siya ng mabuti. And siya, comparing with my other arm, wala naman nag-change sa kulay niya. And what I really love about this is how surprisingly comfortable it is sa skin, because yes, it is the traditional na parang creamy sunscreen siya on the skin. Although relatively compared sa ibang mga body sunscreens na na-try ko, this is more on the lighter cream side. Also, other things that I noticed about this product, yes, meron din siyang fragrance, but it's not too strong. Hindi naman siya yung parang sobrang distracting na scent. Parang regular na lotion scent lang siya. And siguro ang wish ko lang sana dito is naging water resistant siya para complete na talaga siya. It's everything I'll need in a sunscreen. Pero okay lang because itong sunscreen naman, hindi ko naman siya gagamitin pang swimming. This is really just more of a sunscreen na parang pang everyday. And actually, sa sobrang nagustuhan ko to, I was planning to bring it doon sa Europe trip ko. Pero ang laki kasi talaga ng packaging, guys. Kailan ko lang na-discover na meron pala siyang smaller size na I think 70 ml yun. Na of course, mas mura pa siya, diba? Pero lesson learned yon for next time na yon. But again, if hindi ka naman mag-abroad and you just want something that you want to use every day, and also, alam mo yun, ayaw mo yung bili ka ng bili, refill ka ng refill ng skincare mo, definitely get this one. This is 300 ml. But if you do want to try it out first, again, meron naman silang smaller version for that. Actually, hindi ko pa siya nakita online, pero hahanapin ko siya for you guys. And if nahanap ko siya, as per usual, ilalagay ko sa description box yung link. And actually, speaking of that, lahat ng mga products that I have mentioned in this video, ilalagay ko na sa description box para hindi na kayo mahirapang hanapin sila. And ayun siya guys, that is my current body care routine as of mid-2023. Feeling ko tatagal yung routine na to unless makahanap ako ng magandang products. Pero honestly guys, very solid na yung mga products na nilagay ko sa routine na to. And if you have used any of these products in your skincare routine or body care routine rather, do let me know in the comments. Pag-usapan natin yan. And if you are looking for more content about body skincare, I will be leaving some videos here for you to watch. And as usual guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye!